say the question one more time. I'm going to completely go through it one more time.
Yeah. Well, I was going to say, are you scared?
Oh, yeah.
That was the question. But
Yeah. Terrified.
No, I think you did it really well.
Yeah.
I really do.
Being a mechanic is not just a job. You know, it's a lifestyle. It's not just a lifestyle, it's a pursuit, it's a passion. It's kind of like a practice. It's like a doctor even, you know. Or when a kid wants to become a doctor, they go to med school, and they go to school, and then they go to med school, and they have all these hopes and dreams of becoming a doctor, and then all of a sudden they do become a doctor, and all of a sudden they're practicing being a doctor. What's underlying behind that person being in that position was their passion initially. You know, they wanted to be someone that helps people. They wanted to be someone who could be the guy, the go-to guy when you get hurt, you know, or be the, like in a mechanic situation, be the guy who can fix anything. The trouble with being a mechanic and the trouble with being in an industry so dynamic as in the automotive and truck world as it is now is that to be a really good mechanic, you have to have such a huge background. It's not just that you turn wrenches and that you know how to change brakes. You need to be so much more dynamic now. You need to be really well apt in all these different systems. You need to understand electrical systems, hydraulic systems, safety component systems. And so the world of being a mechanic just gets really, really broad, and you have to be passionate. My passion has always been in craftsmanship. Ever since I was a child, I've been absolutely fascinated with all things mechanical, electrical, systems, and otherwise. As I've gone through my career, I've become more enveloped in certain skills like welding, fabrication, custom electronic design, systems automation design, robotic systems design and engineering, industrial electronics and industrial electronics engineering. But the skills that I exercise at Roach Automotive and in my professional career as a mechanic and as a welder and a fabricator and an electronic diagnostic technician is about being closer to the physical world. You know, when I connect with a customer or if I connect with a person, it makes me feel closer to the earth. And when I am successful on repairing something that's difficult or challenging, or when I find out what's wrong with something and I understand it for the first time and I'm able to nail it, that moment, that's when I feel connected. That's when I feel good, you know, and I'm always chasing that. Hello, I'm Tyler Roach, and this is Roach Automotive, and we work on, hello, my name is Tyler Roach. And hello, good morning, my name is Tyler Roach. Hello, good morning. Hello, gotcha. Hello, good, my name is Tyler Roach. I need to quit saying my name is Tyler Roach. You got that like 4 times. Here at Roach Automotive, we service all makes and models. We service European, domestic, and Asian cars and trucks, and we specialize in fleet management and preventative maintenance. When Indy Roof Company first launched, it was very critical that they were able to roll flawlessly, and as they built their fleet, we maintained that and brought them in and made sure those vehicles were prepared and ready for them to go out into service to where Indy Roof Company wouldn't suffer any failures on the road. Luckily, in the last few years, they haven't had to be towed too often. We've been very lucky to keep them on the road, and to their success, their fleet has almost tripled. As we go along with some of these corporations, we've had to do some pretty interesting projects. But now we've been faced with a real challenge from Indy Roof Company, and that is the Indy Roof Company Gen1 Raptor build, which started off as just a simple performance conversion. All Indy Roof Company wanted was to take this truck out of service, which was one of their first vehicles they used when Indy Roof Company started, was one of their sales vehicles. This truck has been in the field earning and helping to build the Indy Roof Company. And now finally, we've been able to pull it out of service and been able to give this truck the justice it deserves. It's given Indy Roof Company a great start, and we want to give back to this truck and give it everything it deserves. So what's become just this freshening up of a truck has turned into a much bigger, more epic project than we ever could imagine. What makes this truck and this project special and challenging is not only the special things that are going in this truck, but the very tight timeline we have. This truck is to participate in the 2021 Snowball off-road 1,000-mile Raptor excursion in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And that is scheduled to begin January 14th of 2021. We only have 30 days to complete. So every morning we have to be ultra proactive to try to get through this project. Deep down, if you're not scared in a project like this, then you're not running on passion. Honestly, I know it without a shadow of a doubt. I will deliver.